In this video, you will learn three things. Why the correct power conditioner or UPS installed between your analytical instrument and the wall matters. How Powervar solutions can improve the quality of electrical power. And how it can impact the customer experience, giving you an advantage over your competition. You're selling analytical instrumentation into labs to help them run their facilities efficiently and accurately, ultimately keeping their customers happy. Your systems, of course, run on electrical power. When that electrical power is clean, your equipment operates efficiently, reliably, and properly. The equipment processes samples correctly, measurements are accurate, false positives are minimized, and revenues flow. Your customers have a positive experience with your systems. But electrical power isn't always clean. There are many factors that affect the integrity of electricity that result in breakdowns, data errors, inaccurate measurements, increased service calls, and shortened equipment life. This is especially true in lab facilities, which have a very harsh electrical environment. These errors caused by electrical disturbances can look like problems with your system, software glitches, corrupted data, poor signal-to-noise ratio, and system lockups. It can result in false positives, erroneous data, calibration drift, and inaccurate measurements, ultimately leading to lost time, productivity, and credibility. Most of the time, power is either misunderstood or overlooked as the cause of these issues, and it leaves your customer's investment and facility at risk. So far, we've seen that the quality of electrical power affects your system's performance. Clean power equals accurate, reliable performance and satisfied customers. Dirty power equals system lockups, performance and accuracy issues, equipment stress, and unhappy customers. That's why the Powervar solution should be part of the initial system sale, to make sure that problems don't arise. So what causes disturbances in electrical power? Things like lightning, sure, but the power environment is constantly changing, and the issues are being created by the very equipment your customers need to run their facilities. Like heaters, refrigeration, motors, automation, even the HVAC and environmental control systems. You know, things that they have running every single day, all the time. These result in electrical impulses, high-frequency noise, and high-voltage transients, all of which affects the operation of your instruments. So, what can you do to protect yourself? The solution is a power quality system from Powervar. They lie between your lab equipment and the outlet, and filter electricity to ensure smooth performance. Kind of like how a fuel filter in your car protects your engine from impurities. But not all power protection devices are created equal. You must install a Powervar solution for complete reliability. Here's why. The difference is in the three levels of protection: a surge diverter, a noise filter, and most importantly, a low impedance isolation transformer. It's the ABCs of power conditioning. Some power protection devices have a surge diverter, some have a filter, and some have both. But without a low impedance isolation transformer, you don't have complete protection. In fact, they can actually cause the disturbances that lead to downtime and errors. Most UPS systems incorporate a surge diverter, a noise filter, and a battery. That may cover you in power outages, but it still doesn't provide complete protection. You need a solution that incorporates a low impedance isolation transformer. Think of it like an iceberg. It's not the obvious things like power outages, lightning, and so on that cause the most amount of damage. It's what's below the water, what you don't see, like those day-to-day power disturbances that are the most destructive. That's what causes degradation and disruption of your analytical instrumentation. Other power protection devices only take care of the tip of the iceberg and don't protect against those big, sometimes unseen threats that cause the most damage. Powervar offers protection for the whole iceberg, protecting your system from surges, common mode voltage, electrical noise, voltage swells, sags, ground loops, power outages, and other disturbances. So what this all means to you is that bundling a Powervar power quality solution with your analytical system helps you have a more reliable, accurate system. minimize service calls, and provide the ultimate customer experience, which in turn increases brand loyalty with your customers. It helps your customers maximize their uptime and productivity, minimize the risk of data inaccuracy caused by electrical disturbances, protect their investment, and extend the life of their equipment, and improve their user experience. So, if you want to increase system uptime and reliability, drive bottom-line profits, and provide the ultimate customer experience, you need to provide a Powervar power quality solution.